welcome back to the new video. I am back with another vlog. So in this vlog I'm going to show you guys what I do this entire week. So yeah, today is Monday and as you guys can see I am at a different setup today. So I am at my dad's office today. So my dad was actually low on staff today and he had some urgent work to do. So he told me that can you please come and help me. So I am here to help him. I am actually doing this past 1 week on and off. Whenever he needs help he calls me. So yeah, that's what I do. It is not at all a glamorous work. I don't sit in the office and do work. So this is my dad's office where I'm sitting right now, but I have to do my work in his factory. So yeah, it's just packing and setting up small things and all that. It is not at all glamorous, but yeah, that is what it is. So let's get started. Finally, I am back at my home right now. It was a really long and a tiring day. I was there from 10 to 7 in the office and I'm very tired right now. I had my dinner, I took a bath, I was chilling for a while and now I'm just going to watch a lot of YouTube videos and go to sleep. It is Tuesday today and today is my shoot day. As you guys can see the lighting and all, today is my shoot day. I have honestly not shot any videos or photos from a long time, so today I'm quite excited to shoot because I'm shooting after a really long time. Let me guys show you my shooting setup. So guys, I'm shooting in my room. As you guys can see, I have a plain wall over here. So what I did is I just added one black cloth so that looks better. Then let me show you guys what do I have near the shooting area. This is where I sit on this and I shoot. Then I have a table over here. So the table has laptop. So my phone is always connected to my laptop so that I can see what am I shooting. Then I have my makeup pouch over here, brushes, mirror, earphones, and I also have a water bottle with me always. And this is my ring light. It's quite bright. So yeah, this is my shooting setup. I just done shooting 2 Instagram videos. One was a skincare video and one was this makeup tutorial. So yeah, that's for now. Now I have to clean all the mess which I've created and then edit both the videos, and then I have some small work to do. So yeah, that's just going to be that for today. So yeah. Hi guys, so this is another day and today is a special day because I am having some people coming at my place today. I don't know after how long some people are coming at my place. I guess around 5 months. So I'm very excited.
Hi guys, what's up? Finally you see us together in a frame vlogging actually. Yeah, and today it is a chill day. Dinkle is the host.
Yeah.
She's called us.
Yeah, so Urvi is here, Isha is also coming and we are just going to have a nice gossip session, eat a lot of food and that's it. Guys, look what we are eating. Isha and Urvi, are you excited to?
Can you see my face right now?
Yeah, Isha is busy
We are
opening
drooling.
yeah.
Drooling.
Yeah. So now let us eat and stop talking. We are cake.
Dinkle commented on my picture yesterday that I'm craving for cakes. So I baked a cake for her. Now let's do the taste test.
Yes.
I'll vlog.
Yes, thank you so much, Urvi.
Welcome. So taste test Isha and Dinkle. अरे तू भी खा साथ में खा. हाँ, ओके. डोंट जज, मैंने टेस्ट नहीं किया है, मुझे नहीं पता कैसा बना है. ठंडा हुआ है.
Yummy?
Very yummy.
तो ईशा रुकी हुई थी. डिंकल बोले यमी है तो ही खाओ, नहीं तो भाई जाने दो. Okay guys, so now we're gonna enjoy this cake and see you guys in a bit.
Hi guys, welcome back to another day.
It is 7 o'clock in the morning right now. So my online lectures have started. Those who all don't know, I am in my last year of graduation. So yeah, I have college to attend. It's 7 o'clock and I'm so sleepy. But yeah, this is how online lectures work.
एक्सटर्नल बैरियर आप दूसरे कंट्री के लिए बैरियर रख रहे हो लेकिन आपस में आप बैरियर नहीं रखते सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द नेगेटिव पॉइंट ऑफ अ रीजनल ग्रुप ऑल दीज ग्रुप्स.
So I am back at vlogging right now. It is actually very late. It is 1:30 in the night right now. So after my college lectures were there from I guess 7 to 12. Then I was just sleepy. I slept for a while. I was doing some household works. थोड़ा बहुत time pass किया. Then right now I was reading this book called as Good Vibes, Good Life. A very good book. So yeah, now I'm going to journal and then sleep. So signing off for today. It's a new day today. I am finally back at vlogging. I am actually vlogging after a long time. Initially when I started vlogging, I thought it is going to be a weekly vlog, but then things don't happen as we plan. Life happens. There were a lot of things happening in my personal life, so I could not continue the vlog or do anything about it. I just took a break from everything. And then finally I got back to work. I am a makeup artist. I got a work as a makeup artist for a short film. So I was working in a short film as a makeup artist. So my life was busy and revolved around it for 3 to 4 days. It was very hectic. I was thinking to vlog that, but उधर time ही नहीं मिला. I was working on a set and all that, तो उधर time ही नहीं था vlog करने का. So yeah, I'm here just to end this vlog and just to keep it very real, that not all weeks are very glamorous या हम जैसा सोचते वैसा नहीं होता है. I obviously could not show you guys my sad days because I don't know how to vlog my sad days. I am still not very comfortable with that, but I just wanted to keep it real कि भाई ये हुआ मेरे साथ past week में and all that. So yeah, I am feeling much better right now. Hopefully I'll come with much better weekly vlogs. I hope you like this one. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.